In this part, we are going to talk about comparison operators. They are used to compare two values with each other. For example, checking are they equal, greater, or smaller than each other. So, for example, right now I have two variables, both with the value of 5, one as a in number and one as a string. And in here, if I type echo $sign A is equal to $sign B, I will get one which is true. And now we see that this one equal sign means assigning a value to variable, but double equal sign means comparing two variables with each other. So two equals is used to compare. One equal sign is used to assign value. Now, let's come back to our topic and see in here I got A is equal to B, which is true. But if I want to compare this two with their data type as well, so for that I will have to add one more equal sign. Now I don't get anything. Let's move this to a if condition. So in here, let's type if $sign A equal to $sign B, then echo equal. Now I don't get anything. But if I make this also number or integer, I will get equal. But because I am using three equal signs, it also check with the data type. So this is number, this is string, and our condition is false. That's why we are not getting anything in the browser. Now another thing, let's comment this out. And in here you can also compare not equal. If you want to check if one variable is not equal, for that you will use this symbol and equal sign. This symbol means not. So when we put equal in front of this, it means not equal. So now if I type $sign A and $sign B, compare this two and echo not equal, and let's change it to, for example, 10. Now I get my text in the browser. So 5 is not equal to 10, which brings this condition to true. So we are getting our text. Now not is used to if you want to check the reverse of anything. So if you want to compare equal, this sign, not equal, this sign. Now let's check if A is greater or smaller than B. To check if the left side is greater than the right side, we type if $sign A and greater symbol, then our second variable, then echo greater. Now in the browser we will get nothing because A is smaller than B. To make this condition true, then we have to change this to a smaller sign. Now we get our text in the browser. So to check for greater, you use this symbol, and to check for smaller, you use the smaller symbol. You can do like this as well. So for example, if I type here if $sign A greater than $sign B, echo greater. Otherwise, else echo smaller. Now we get in the browser smaller because our A is smaller than our B variable. So let's comment this out and this one also. Now you can also check greater or equal. So to check for this, let's create our variables here. A is equal to 8 and $sign B is equal to 8 as well. Now you can add two conditions as well. So for example, in here I want to check if A is greater or equal to B. So for that I will type if A is greater or equal to $sign B equal greater than or equal. Now we get our text in the browser greater than equal because both of them are equal. And if I change it to the 10, still I get, sorry, uh, this one A greater than B. This one again I got my text in the browser. Same we can do with the smaller sign also. Now in the smaller sign I didn't get my text in the browser, but if I change this to 10 and change this to 8, I get my text. Let's change it to smaller or equal because A is smaller than B. And if I change it to 10, again I will get my text smaller than or equal than